A pleasure to meet y'all at last, and here we are again with Freak Accidents. Basically, the name of this new series that's relative to certain things, relative to disasters and accidents and anything that's resulted in tragedy. And so, here we are. I got something new here, and this new disaster that I'm going to, in fact, reflect upon here in HJN is so with that in mind, stay tuned for more HJN content. I will in fact be continuing the series until the very end that I've basically put together already. And so, pre-plans aside, make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, follow me wherever you can find me, and stay on the Hollywood side if you'd like to see more